Today we're at the Hawk hangar on RAAF Base Williamtown celebrating 25 years of the Hawk aircraft being in service with the RAAF. A really, really special outcome. The Hawk has had an amazing journey and our people have had an amazing journey.
It's incredible to think that this aircraft has delivered over 200 aircrew into the Australian Defence Force and safe flying hours, and that's a big, big achievement.
The other thing that we're here celebrating today is the re-engining. Teams both east and west, both in Pearce and here at Williamtown, have done an amazing job.
The aircraft has been through a number of upgrades. It's been through an avionics upgrade and most recently been through an engine upgrade.
Air Force has been able to rely on us for 25 years for these aircraft to be available in a capability effective and cost effective way. That's what will continue to happen over the next 10 years of Hawk.
Hawk, throughout 25 years, has been about collaboration, about industry and about defence coming together to producing the outcome, which is really about training the pilots. This relationship we have is very special. We treat it respectfully, making sure we're investing in it. There's been challenges along the way, but the way we've responded really has set us apart in terms of being a real strategic asset for defence.
Hawk continues to play that role, it continues to power through. I couldn't be more proud of our teams, both east and west, for that achievement. It's been monumental.